What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. For those of you who are new, my name is Kiara Selena, also known as Nurse Key. I'm a licensed practical nurse, and on my channel we talk about quite a few things, but we mainly focus on skincare and nursing. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about turmeric masks. I know that a lot of you guys have probably heard about this, seen it, maybe on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, wherever, but this is actually something that's becoming a little bit more popular now on the internet, and I've spoken about it on my channel. I've also shown how to make it, but in today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge where I'm going to be trying turmeric on my face literally every single day for 5 days straight to see what the results are and to see how effective it is against my acne and my acne scarring. Because if you guys don't know, turmeric is literally one of the most holy grail ingredients out there. So if you suffer with acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, or even just the occasional breakout or a few blemishes, this is for you. Let's get into the video. All right, so firstly, I want to show you guys how to make this turmeric mask, and it is honestly very, very simple. Now, all you have to do is use about 2 tablespoons of some plain Greek yogurt or just plain old yogurt. I'm using Activia. I just put 2 tablespoons in a bowl, and then I went in with a tablespoon of turmeric, mixed that up, and that is it. So day 1, this is what my skin was looking like. As you guys can see on the left side of my face, I do have some hyperpigmentation on the lower side of my face, like near my jaw. On the right side of my face, you guys can see that there's not really much going on. My skin is pretty clear. There is still a few scars, a little bit of hyperpigmentation, but you can see it a lot more on the left side of my face. What I'm gonna do is leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face off, wash it off with my CeraVe foaming cleanser, and just complete my regular everyday skincare routine after that. So on day 2, you guys could see that there's not really a drastic change, which is obviously expected. At the end of the day, this is a skincare remedy. It is not magic. So I'm not really expecting for my skin to have the biggest change, but I will say that my skin was looking a little bit more alive. I feel like my skin was a lot more dull, and now I feel like my skin is looking a little bit brighter at this point, but it could be all in my head. Let me know down below what you guys think. So I was a bit scared about day 3 because I know that some people were saying that after day 3 they felt a little bit of irritation and they were starting to see some changes in their skin. Personally, I really did not experience any bad side effects or anything like that. I did make sure to use more yogurt than I did turmeric, and yogurt is very soothing. I don't know if that is the reason why I didn't experience any negative side effects, but I did. All right guys, I'm sorry I look really crappy. I just got back from work. It's literally like midnight. So I'm about to get ready to go to bed, but I just wanted to show you guys the condition of my skin, what my skin is looking like now. I literally just washed my face. I didn't put anything on it because I'm about to put the mask on, but I just want to show you guys what's going on with my skin. Personally, I don't really see much of a change. I'm still seeing some scarring here. This side is better than this side for sure. I don't even know what that is, like a scar. It was a pimple. It's going away. So So at this point, my skin is definitely looking brighter at this point. I wasn't really too sure on day 2, but on day 3, I could definitely say that my skin was looking much brighter, much more radiant. But once again, not really much changes in the hyperpigmentation on my face. I don't know if you guys would say otherwise. If you think there was a change, let me know down below. Sometimes you can't really notice changes on yourself, other people notice. So let me know down below if you see a change. But personally, I didn't really see much of a change in my scarring, but I will say that the little pimple that I did have on my forehead in the beginning of this challenge definitely went down. And another thing that I noticed is that I did not develop one single pimple. Most of the time my skin is clear. However, I do usually get like 1 or 2 or a few pimples every single week. Like I always see something show up on my face, but for the first time, there was literally nothing. The only thing I had on my face were the pimples that were previously there, like the one on my forehead and a few on my cheeks. But other than that, no additional pimples, which I would definitely consider a plus. Based on what it is that I'm seeing here, I could say that I was seeing a little tiny change in the scarring on the side of my face. They were looking a little bit lighter and they weren't as noticeable as it was in the beginning of the video, I would say. Once again, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Is this this is what my skin is looking like. As for my scars and my hyperpigmentation, they are obviously still present. Once again, this is not a magic trick. This is not magic. This is a natural remedy. So you're not gonna see the biggest difference in 5 days. This is something that you're gonna have to be consistent with. Personally, I've been using turmeric masks for literally years because I had quite a bit of acne on my cheeks and especially my jawline. You guys can still see that I do break out around my neck area, and this is hormonal. My skin definitely feels good. I haven't had any irritation. I clearly haven't had a breakout or anything like that, and my skin feels really nice right now on day 6. And I will say that my skin does feel a lot better. All the pimples that I had on my cheeks at this point were absolutely gone. The one pimple I had on my forehead is gone. It's flat. It did leave a little tiny scar behind. Well, I wouldn't even call it a scar. I would say that the pimple itself is still a little bit present. It's not 100% gone, but it's like 95% gone. So this is gonna be gone soon. My makeup application today was butter, okay? Butter. I know you guys have seen that meme, but it was literally butter. My foundation went on like flawlessly. My skin feels really good. I haven't broken out at all, which once again is a little bit abnormal for me because usually I will develop like a few pimples throughout the week. I always have like a few pimples showing up or a few whiteheads or blackheads, and I haven't had nothing. Like this is the first time in a long time that I have seen nothing at all on my face other than what was there previously, and what was there previously is once again 95% gone. Alright, so I was doing a little bit of research on this turmeric mask, and I have seen some doctors say that it's better to opt for like an actual formulated product by a company that also has turmeric in it, because those companies are able to formulate it in a way where you can get a much higher concentration of turmeric in the mask or in the product, and you could see faster results. I don't know anything about formulating products, but I'm a Caribbean girl, Caribbean African descent. You guys know like natural remedies are our thing. Like I've been using literally remedies my entire life. So personally, I would say if you don't want to go out and purchase a product that contains turmeric, you could literally just use this. Once again, the concentration won't be as high, so your results won't be as effective as quickly as it would if you actually got a product. But just in case you actually did want to purchase a product on a budget, this is one that you can purchase. This is by Freeman, and it is a turmeric mask. Yeah, literally Indian turmeric gel cream. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because the consistency is very different to the consistency of the one that I made. Now, I'm not saying that this is the best one, but I have used this on multiple occasions and I've never had a problem with this. And I think I got this for about $5 at Walmart. So if you are looking for a turmeric mask on a budget, you could definitely go ahead and try this one. And yeah. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Have you seen any changes in my skin? Do you have any other recommendations for videos or any other DIY remedies you would like me to try? Leave all your suggestions down below. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to see future content from me, and go ahead and turn on your notification bells. That way you'll be notified whenever I post future videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.